Question 1. In which country are cats worshipped like a goddess? A. Egypt. B. Russia. C. Nepal. D. India. Your correct answer, A. Egypt. Question 2. In which country is wearing yellow clothing band? A. India. B. Nepal. C. Korea. D. Malaysia. Your correct answer, D. Malaysia. Question 3. How do earthworms breathe? A. Through the nose. B. Through the lungs. C. Through the skin. D. Through hair. Your correct answer, C. Through the skin. Question 4. How can a giraffe's age be determined? A. By the color of its nose. B. By the length of its tail. C. By the length of its legs. D. By the color of its body spots. Your correct answer, D. By the color of its body spots. Question 5. How many legs does a mosquito have? A. 6 legs. B. 8 legs. C. 10 legs. D. 12 legs. Your correct answer, A. 6 legs. Question 6. In which country does the sun rise at midnight? A. India. B. Norway. C. China. D. Singapore. Your correct answer, B. Norway. Question 7. Where was the first traffic signal introduced? A. Airport. B. Road. C. Railway station. D. Bus stand. Your correct answer, C. Railway station. Question 8. What is the name of the world's most beautiful snake? A. King cobra. B. Shield tail. C. Nagraj. D. Python. Your correct answer, B. Shield tail. Question 9. Flipkart is a company from which country? A. India. B. China. C. Sri Lanka. D. America. Your correct answer, A. India. Question 10. Which city is known as the Queen of Hills? A. Leh. B. Mussoorie. C. Nainital. D. Uttarakhand. Your correct answer, B. Mussoorie. Question 11. What is the meaning of the idiom adding fuel to the fire? A. To provoke further. B. To set something on fire. C. To be confused. D. To be scared. Your correct answer, A. To provoke further. Question 12. What increases quickly when you chew gum? A. Height. B. Strength. C. Memory. D. Brain power. Your correct answer, C. Memory. Question 13. What color makes dogs aggressive? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Green. D. Black. Your correct answer, D. Black. Question 14. People from which Indian state eat food on banana leaves? A. Kerala. B. Odisha. C. Assam. D. Tamil Nadu. Your correct answer, A. Kerala. Question 15. Which fruit does not cause gas in the stomach? A. Guava. B. Bananas. C. Pomegranate. D. Papaya. Your correct answer, D. Papaya. Question 16. Excessive consumption of bread can cause which disease? A. Cancer. B. Diabetes. C. Kidney stones. D. Heart disease. Your correct answer, B. Diabetes. Question 17. Drinking water from which type of vessel reduces anger? A. Silver. B. Gold. C. Clay. D. Brass. Your correct answer, D. Brass. Question 18. Which bird has the sharpest eyesight? A. Owl. B. Parrot. C. Eagle. D. Vulture. Your correct answer, C. Eagle. Question 19. Which part of the human body contains 75% water? A. Brain. B. Eyes. C. Hands. D. Kidneys. Your correct answer, A. Brain. Question 20. What is the lifespan of a mosquito? A. 18 days. B. 12 days. C. 28 days. D. 21 days. Your correct answer, B. 12 days. Question 21. Eating chocolate can be deadly for which animal? A. Goat. B. Dog. C. Cat. D. A deer. Your correct answer, B. Dog. Question 22. Drinking too much tea in winter can cause which health issue? A. Diabetes. B. Constipation. C. Chest burn. D. All of the above. Your correct answer, D. All of the above. Question 23. When was Chandrayaan-3 launched? A. 2016. Born in 2012. Circa 2018. D. 2023. Your correct answer, D. 2023. Question 24. In which country was the bus invented? A. India. B. England. C. Sri Lanka. D. America. Your correct answer, B. England. Question 25. Eating too much cabbage can cause which health issue? A. COVID-19. B. Constipation. C. Back pain. D. Diabetes. Your correct answer, B. Constipation. Question 26. Drinking hot water in winter helps with which health conditions? A. Obesity. B. Constipation. C. Stress. D. All of the above. Your correct answer, D. All of the above. Question 27. In which country is voting mandatory with a fine for not voting? A. India. B. China. C. Nepal. D. Australia. Your correct answer, D. Australia. Question 28. Who gave the slogan, Do or Die? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Chandra Shekhar Azad. D. Narendra Modi. Your correct answer, B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 29. What is the black material inside a pencil called? A. Silver. B. Carbon. C. Graphite. D. Zinc. Your correct answer is C. Graphite. Question 30. Who wrote the Ramayana? A. Valmiki. B. Kalidasa. C. Vedvyasa. D. Tulsidas. Comment your correct answer below.